Welcome to this Getting Started guide on how to install JoMash. First, go to jomash.de. Click on JoMash free download. Click on Register. Then type in your personal information. If you already registered yourself, type in your login credentials and click Login. When logged in, copy your license key. You will need it in one moment. Go to the JoMash download section and click Download. It is recommended to save the zip file somewhere in your user directories. For example, in your Documents folder. For that, click on this PC. Double-click on your local drive. In this example, C. Double-click on Users. Then on your Users folder. Then double-click on Documents and click Save. Open your File Explorer. For example, by clicking on the File Explorer icon in the taskbar. Navigate to your Documents folder again. In this example, this PC. Local drive C. Users. Your user directory. And then Documents. Right-click on the jomash.zip file and click on Extract All. Click on Extract. Once it is extracted, open the JoMash folder. Then double-click on jomash.exe. It might happen that Windows Defender warns you that the application is unrecognized. Click on More Info. Then on Run Anyway. Read and scroll down the End User License Agreement and confirm with a click on Accept. You will be asked for your license key. Paste it in the text box and click Accept. You are now ready to use JoMash with your ClickSense server, or with your local ClickSense desktop installation. If you have a ClickSense server, open your browser. Now navigate to the hub of your ClickSense server. When you see the ClickSense hub, click in the browser address bar and copy the URL. Go back to JoMash. Now paste that URL in and click Connect to Server. If you have ClickSense Desktop, make sure that ClickSense is running. Then just click on Connect to Desktop. If you need further assistance, go to support.lizardus.de. Or, write an email to info@lizardus.de. You will also find the links and email address in the video description below. We will help you. For example, with remote training.